Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome to my little outdoor workbench. Well, I was looking to find a way to heat up my tiny shop, and especially a way that wouldn't cost anything, and I think I found a solution. So, in this can right here, there's a small heater element that you can get off of Amazon. It's not that expensive, I think 10 bucks or so. In front of it is a computer fan that's about 5 bucks. And I hooked it both up to my 300 watt battery pack here. It's kind of comparable to a Jackery, I think it's called. So I charged that one with a solar panel, so it doesn't cost me a thing. And then the battery itself, it's about 300 watts for the pack. It's at about 92% right now, and I can still run it for 10 hours because it only draws 33 watts, right? So 10 hours of heating in my shop completely free. And the temperature that I get from it in F is about 80, somewhere in that range. In Celsius, that's about 26. Now it's not blasting hot, but on a cold winter day it's more than plenty. And you can hear it's blowing like crazy, right? And the element inside here, if I try to hit that, let me give it a go. Let's get in close here. That's a lot higher. It's hard to measure, but I measured about 140, 150 C, which is about somewhere in the range of between 270 and 300 F, right? So if I can find a way to store the heat a little bit better in that can, then the output might even be better. But for now, I'm quite happy, and yeah, maybe it will give you an idea, right? Well, that's it for this short little video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.